હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ, વેલકમ ટુ અવર ચેનલ. આજે આપણે મેથેમેટિક્સ ટર્મ 1 સીબીએસઈનું જે ક્વેશ્ચન પેપર છે એ ક્વેશ્ચન પેપરનું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન આપણે જોવાના છીએ. સીબીએસઈના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ જેટલા પણ છે તે આ સોલ્યુશનને શાંતિથી જોઈ શકે છે. ચેનલ ઉપર નવા છો તો ચેનલને લાઇક કરી લેજો, શેર કરજો અને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરજો. આ સિમ્પલ ફોર્મ છે. આગળ જોઈએ તો મેથેમેટિક્સ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડનું તમને સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન મળવાનું છે. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. ઇંગ્લિશ વર્ઝનમાં તમને હિન્ટ આપેલી છે કયા સેક્શનમાં કેટલા ક્વેશ્ચન એટેન્ડ કરવાના છે તે. તો સેક્શન એની વાત કરીએ. ધ એક્સપોનેન્ટ ઓફ 5 ઇન પ્રાઇમ ફેક્ટરાઇઝેશન ઇઝ 3750. તો આન્સર મળશે તમને 4. ધ ગ્રાફ ઓફ પોલિનોમિયલ px કટ ધ x axis at a 3 point and touch it at the two other point. The number of zero of px is equal to 5. The value of x and y satisfy the two question 3x plus 3y equal to 34, 3x plus 32y equal to 31. The respectively minus 1 and 2. If a 3 and under root 3 and b 0 0 and c 3k are the three variety of the equilateral triangle ABC, then the value of k is. व्हाट्सएप नंबर 8400 को याद रख ले, उसमें आपके डाउट सॉल्व हो जाएंगे मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और बायोलॉजी के. और आपका क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर भी आपको वीडियो में मिल जाएगा व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर. 8400 में जाके आप चैट ओपन करें. चैट ओपन करके उसमें आपको क्वेश्चन का फ़ोटो खींचे. फ़ोटो खींच के बाद क्रॉप करें और क्रॉप करके आपको 5 सेकंड में आपको वीडियो सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा. क्लास 6 to 12 IIT JEE मेन एंड एडवांस नीट CBSE बोर्ड और स्टेट बोर्ड के बच्चों के लिए. 8400 डाउट नोट के इस नंबर को आप सेव कर ले और डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक मिलेगी. minus under root 3. In the figure of D and BC are the parallel and the AD equal to 2 and BD equal to 3. So ratio is 25:4. It cot theta 1 upon under root 3. તો sec square theta plus cosec square theta. તો તમને વેલ્યુ મળશે 5 1/3. The area of the quadrant circle where the circumference of circle is 176 meter is 71616 meter square. P plus P dash equal to x, x3 minus 3. તો વેલ્યુ મળશે તમને -2. What is the greatest possibility of the speed at which the girl can walk 95 meter 171 meter in the exact number of the minute? So 19 meter per minute. In the figure, the graph of polynomial px is shown. The number of zero of the px is a 3. The two lines are the given to be a parallel. The question is one of the line is 3x minus 2y equal to 5. The equation of the second line can be minus 12x plus 8y equal to 7. Three vertical of the parallelogram ABCD are the A 1 4, B minus 2 3, C 5 8. Then ordinate of the fourth vertex D is to 9. Triangle ABC, triangle DEF, F equal to C, B equal to E, AB equal to 1/2 DE. The two triangle are similar but not congruent. 14. The triangle ABC, right angle letter B, sin A equal to 7/25. Then the value of cos C is a 7/25. The minute hand of the clock is 84 centimeter long. The distance covered in the tip minute hand from the 10 and 10:25 to 132 centimeter. The probability that drawn card from the pack of the 52 card is neither and the assess and nor the sweat. So 9/13. 3 alarm clock ring their alarm at a regular interval 20 minutes and 25 minutes, 30 minutes respectively. If the first dip together at a noon, 12 noon, at the what the time will they beep again the first time to 5 p.m. The quadratic polynomial, the product of the sum of the whose 0 are the 5 and 8 respectively. So k bracket x square minus 8x plus 5 The point A minus 1 y and B 5 upon 7 lie on the circle with the center O 2 minus 3 upon y. Verify the y are the minus 1 and 7. The give that the sec theta equal to under root 2, the value of 1 plus tan theta divided by sin theta, the 2 under root 2. The greatest number of the which can be divided 1251, 9377, 15628 is a 625. Which of the following cannot be probability of the even? To 17 upon 16. And the diameter of the car wheel is a 42 centimeter. The number of the complete revolution it will be make the moving of 132 kilometer is a 10 raised to 5. If the theta can the acute angle and the tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2, then the value of sin cube cos cube is equal to under root 2 upon 2. The ratio in which the line of 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0 divided the line segment join the point of 1 3 2 7 to 3 jam 4. If the x minus 1 is the factor of the polynomial, the x cube plus ax square plus 2b, a plus b equal to 4. So a equal to 9 and b equal to minus 5. If a and b are the two co-prime number, then the a cube and b cube are a co-prime. The area of the square that can be incremented in the circle of the area of 1408 divided by 7 centimeter cube, the 128 centimeter cube. If a 4 minus 2 and b 7 minus 2, c 7 and 9 vertex of the triangle ABC, then ABC is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle. If the alpha and beta are the 0, the quadratic polynomial px equal to x square minus k plus 6x and a 2k minus 1, then the value of a k if alpha plus beta equal to 1 upon 2, alpha and beta is a 7. If n is a natural number, then the 2, 5n and 6n always be ended with the 2. The line of the segment join the point of the minus 3 and 2 and q is equal to 5 upon 7 to 3 is 5. चलो आगे. If a cot theta plus cosec theta equal to p and cot theta plus cosec theta q, तो p square and q तो b square minus a. If the perimeter of the circle of the half to the square, then the ratio of the area, the circle of the areas, the square is a 7/22. A dice is a roll twice and the probability of the 5 not come is either the time 25 upon 36. The LCM is a two number of 2400 which is the following cannot be their half is 500. आगे देखिए तो in the figure of the PA, QB and RC are the each perpendicular of x equal to 8, z equal to 6 cm is equal to 24 upon 7 cm. In the triangle ABC, A equal to x and B equal to 3x minus 2, C equal to y, C minus B equal to 9, so 107 degree. If the sec theta plus tan theta equal to P, tan theta is equal to P square minus 1 upon 2P, and their basic BC and the equilateral triangle ABC lie on the y-axis, coordinate of the C are the 0 and minus 3. So a plus 3 under root 3 and 0, b 0 and 3. The situation of the amount of the paid of Radhika, the algebraically represented x plus 2y equal to 16, and the situation of the paid of the Amruta and the algebraic expression by x plus 4y equal to 22. What is the fixed charge of the book? So 10, and what are the additional charge of the each subsequent day of a book? So 3. And what is the total amount paid both if the both them have kept the book on the 2 more day तो 50s. आगे જોઈએ तो the two triangle of regional AOB and COD are similar by the AA criterion, and the ratio of the triangle AOB and COD is 1:4. If the ratio of the parameter of triangle AOB and COD CD equal to 4AB. If the AOD and BOC, AO divided by BC, AD divided by BO, OD divided by OC. તો AOD triangle BOBC. And the last question, if the ratio of the area of the two similar triangle AOB and COD 1:4, the corresponding altitude have a ratio of 1:2. આવી જ રીતે બેઝિકનું પણ સોલ્યુશન જોતું હોય તો ચેનલ પર બનાવી રહેજો, બેઝિકનું પણ સોલ્યુશન તમને મળી જશે.